Cbse Grade 6 Chapter 6 Poem The Wonderful Words MCQ. Question number 1. The words we speak bring out our thoughts. The words we speak bring out our thoughts. English is a wonderful game of matching thoughts. People are constantly trying to translate their thoughts. No thought should die for want of proper words. Words means the dress of thoughts. For many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. A beautiful thought is a marvelous surprise. The poet feels that English has enough words to express every idea. The loveliest things are great ideas. According to the poet, everyone wants to hear new and noble thoughts. The words can free a thought which is in the mind. The real beauty is in new and beautiful ideas. So, first paragraph. From the paragraph, the questions will be asked. Never let a thought shrivel and die for want of a way to say it. For English is a wonderful game and all of you can play it. All that you do is match the words to the brightest thoughts in your head. The thoughts die when they are not expressed. To give expression to the thoughts, one has to find proper words. The poet feels that English has enough words to express every idea. English is a game which is for those who love to express themselves. The adverb form of wonderful is wonderfully. The second paragraph, so that they come out clear and true and handsomely groomed and fed, for many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. This passage is taken from The Wonderful Words. The author of the poem is Mary O'Neill. The poem is about words. The loveliest things are great ideas. The noun form of fed is food. The third paragraph, words are the food and dress of thought. They give it its body and swing, and everyone's longing today to hear some fresh and beautiful thing. But only words can't free a thought from its prison behind your eyes. Maybe your mind is holding now a marvelous new surprise. If the words are the body, the thought is its soul. According to the poet, everyone wants to hear new and noble thoughts. The words can free a thought which is in the mind. The real beauty is in new and beautiful ideas. The word longing is a noun. The word longing is a noun. Thank you, children. We'll see in the next.